Hey y'all, I hope this works. This is my first nighttime beer pouring when I'm not around the campfire. This time I'm in my own backyard. You can hear the frogs. We've got Let's Be Homies, Hazy IPA, a collaboration between Stone and Deschutes. It's a Hazy IPA brewed with honey, 7.5% ABV. Yummy. It's a beautiful night for February. This is amazing. I'm tempted to bring out my hammock in a little bit and crash because it's February. I'm in short sleeves. And anyway, let's see. Months ago, I bought one of them fancy ring lights that the fancy YouTubers have, probably the Instagrammers use them more, so they can be social influencers. And I sure as heck ain't no social influencer. I don't even have any influence in my own house, not even with the cats. But anyway, figured I'd set it up. I've got the light hooked up to a battery pack and it's working. So maybe we can do more night shoots, hey? So, I'm not bothering with the glass. I'm outside and it's nice. Hint of citrus, more melon and honey. Tropical fruits and honey. Fairly high up there on the bitterness. It's not bad. It's got the haziness, I guess. Bitter. Packs a bitter punch. Wouldn't be surprised if it's at least 50, 60 IBUs, maybe 70, 80, 90. Between 50 and 100 at least. Not maybe. Anyway, oops. Light just went out for some reason. Let me see if I can turn it back on. There it is. I don't know why that happened. Sorry. Anyway, first time I've used it out here at night like this. So. Anyway, Let's Be Homies, Hazy IPA. 1 to 5, it's a 3.5 maybe, 3.25. It's good, but there's better out there. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great night and cheers.